Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Google Pixel Buds Pro. So I am going to show you how to factory reset this Google Pixel Buds Pro. So there are few basic steps we need to follow. Just please watch it carefully. So open the lid and make sure the earbuds are in place. After that we have to connect this charging Type-C cable here. So after connecting the charging cable, make sure the earbuds are inside and the lid is open. There is a button behind here, so we have to press this button continuously without releasing for 30 seconds. Then the light will turn off and it will start blinking in red color, or it will start blinking in some other color. So let me do that. I'm going to press this for 30 seconds now. 1 2 3 start. So count it for 30 seconds. Now it went to pairing mode, so that is the reason the white light is blinking. So after 30 seconds the earbuds will turn off and the light will turn off and other color light will start glowing. You can see the light is turned off. You can see the orange light is blinking and white light is blinking. So this is the basic steps to do factory reset for Google Pixel Buds Pro. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.